What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I just got a haircut, looking kind of fresh. But today we're gonna go pick up a strut tower brace from DMG Autosport. So basically the story is, they're all done custom made by the owner himself, Brandon. So he welds them, he does all the fabrication, he's really good at it. And you'll see the welds on this one. His demand has gotten to the point where he's gonna start offering CNC options, basically where a machine makes them. He had to send off one of his custom braces off to get CNC, I guess, scanned, so then they can make CNC versions of them. The scanning shop is over in Corona, which is only about 30 minutes away. So I'm gonna go pick up George, probably gonna have to get gas, and then we're gonna pick up the brace and I'll show you. It is the front strut tower brace. So up to you when we pick up George. Whoa, what's up?
What's up, what's going on?
Oh, you got a haircut too?
Yeah, I got a haircut.
Nice, I did too.
By my mom.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Nice. We just got to the spot where the strut tower brace is at.
Finished part, ready to go.
Sweet. So that's after you cleaned it up and everything?
Yeah, so on this one we decided to do 2 scans. We scanned it in one direction to get the top and flipped it to get the bottom, and then combined both of those together in order to get an accurate model of it. So this is the best way to do it when there's a part that has maybe some complex geometry. Although this part is fairly simple, it's still best to do a little bit extra so that when you're working in CAD, it's a lot easier to process.
Right, right. That's super cool. We just stopped at the CAD design place, and he obviously showed you guys some of the work and how it's done. That was pretty cool insight to get. That's what the future of DMG is going to see. He's going to have a lot more CNC work done because it's much more efficient. Brandon actually does all the stuff by hand right now. He welds everything, so having a CNC machine do a lot of the work is going to help him a lot. But we just picked this up. It still has the targets on it from the scans, so we'll take those off. You can see if you get up close, it's really well done. There might be some like residue on it from the targets, but like this one, don't pay attention to that. But the welds are insane. And so Brandon actually clears all of these, so I believe they go through powder coat. And this one just has a clear finish. It's really nice and shiny. It's really cool to see the heat from the welder and the way it kind of changes the color of the metal. So yeah, I'm really stoked to have this, and then we're probably gonna go into the install. So we just got over to Precision Dynamics in Costa Mesa, and we got the strut tower bar right here waiting to be installed. And then I also have a K&N intake that I'm gonna be installing as well. So yeah, we're gonna be doing those 2 today. Just pulled in, and we'll probably get started pretty soon here.
Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, then remember you're 1,000 miles away. But now I'm falling. Since you left, I've drifted out to sea. All the nights we danced so you're still mine. I saw ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, then remember you're 1,000 miles away.
So that's everything finished now. New intake, new DMG strut bar. This thing is really cool. It's super sturdy. We did have to adjust the camber just a little bit to get the bolts to fit in there snugly. When you come to Precision, you get professional photos. You have to ask for them though. Those are nice. Solid.
Capture the welds.
Yeah, I like the detail shelf. Oh yeah, all the color. That's sweet. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. So if you guys need any sort of work done on your BMW, they do all sorts of European cars, supercars. Definitely come to Precision Dynamics in Costa Mesa. They do really great work, and they're all super nice. They're super funny. I always love coming here and just hanging out, even if it's just to talk, not even to get work done on my car. I definitely recommend them a lot. I hope you guys come here. Just mention my name, Parker, when you guys book with them. And I'll show you the owner's car too. He just got it repainted in San Marino blue, and he just got some new BBS LMs on his twin turbo R8. Look at this thing. So freshly painted. It's a carbon fiber wide body kit. These rims are insane. Yeah, this car came out so nice. So I wanted to get this in the sun just because this thing really shines in the sun. Just check out those welds. They're so nice. The owner of DMG, Brandon, he does such a good job on these. Obviously they're all very custom. All the welds are done by him. Yeah, it's just so clean. So if you guys want to get yourself a DMG strut bar, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Click that one. Check out some of his other products as well. He has a lot of good stuff. I know he has a rear subframe brace, rear chassis brace. I forget the name for it. And then he has a under panel brace, which is basically like the skid plate. So check those out. He has a lot of good stuff. His most popular one is, of course, the front strut tower brace, because you know, when you go to car shows, you can pop it open. I'm gonna see over the next couple of days if I feel any difference in stiffness, which I'm assuming I will. Brandon wanted me to try and go on a canyon run to test it out. So I'm gonna do exactly that and see how much stiffer it feels. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, definitely leave a like, leave a comment on your favorite part, and don't forget to subscribe because we just hit 2,000 subs, which I appreciate that. Thank you guys. I'm gonna be making videos basically, I'm trying every other day, so basically a couple times a week is the goal, and I've stuck to that for quite a while now, so well, basically ever since I got this car. If you want to see more videos on my E46 M3, definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Only took one look and now I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean out so deep that I could fall in.